Hello Junior 4, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In this video, we will talk about adaptations in plant. But first, let's study two different environments, which are savanna and Amazon rainforest. Let's start with savanna. Savanna is a grassland. So, savanna is a grassland habitat with a mild temperature. What the meaning of mild temperature? It's not high and not low. It's characterized by extreme lack of water. What the meaning of extreme lack of water? It means it has little amount of water. It has little amount of water. So one more time. Savanna is a grassland habitat. It's characterized by extreme lack of water. Which trees can survive in savanna? Such as acacia tree. Acacia tree. It's a big tree that grows in savanna. The next environment it's called Amazon rainforest. Amazon rainforest of Brazil. It's rainy most of the year, so we can find water easily. It's easy to find water there. It's characterized by strong winds. It's characterized by strong winds. Which plants or which tree can survive in Amazon rainforest? Such as kabak tree. Kabak tree is a big tree that grow in Amazon rainforest. Now we will talk about adaptation of acacia tree. Acacia tree like umbrella shaped tree. So it looks like umbrella. In which habitat it can survive? It can survive in southern African savanna. Let's talk about its structural adaptation. What the meaning of structural adaptation? It's a change in the body structure of living organism. First, root. It has very long root. It's called taproot. So the root of acacia tree is called taproot. It's grow directly downward to search for water. So give reason for acacia tree has long root or has taproot to search for water. To search for water. Second, we will talk about trunk. It has very long trunk. Give reason for it has very long trunk. So most animals except the giraffe can't reach its leaves. One more time, give reason for. Acacia tree has long trunk. So most animals except giraffe can't reach the leaves. Trunk in acacia tree stores water. Trunk in acacia tree stores water. Like what? Like the camel. Camel stores fat. So acacia tree stores water. Camel stores fat. Third, we will talk about leaves. It has tiny leaves. It has tiny leaves. What the meaning of tiny? Tiny means small. So it has tiny or small leaves. Give reason for it has tiny leaves to help them hold in water. To help them hold in water. To help the tree to hold in water. And it has sharp spines. Acacia tree has sharp spines. around its leaves. Give reason for it has sharp spines. To prevent animals from eating the leaves. To prevent animals from eating the leaves. That's all about structural adaptation. Let's talk about behavioral adaptation. Acacia tree can defend itself in 2 steps. Number 1, it produces poison when an animal begins eating its leaves. So it produces a poison. It makes the leaves taste very bad. It makes the leaves taste very bad. So it keeps animals away. It keeps animals away. So number 1 in behavioral adaptation of acacia tree, it produces a poison to make the taste of leaves very bad. So it keeps the animals away. Number 2, it sends a smelly message in the wind. Give reason for acacia tree sends a smelly message in the wind. To warn other acacia trees. To warn other acacia trees. Warn means alert. To alert other acacia trees, telling them to start making the same poison. To start making the same poison. So, behavioral adaptation of acacia tree. Number 1, it produces a poison. Number 2, it sends a smelly message in the wind.